You ready for this? Sanders, this is your debut. What does the lion say? What does the lion say? Good job. What does the cat say? Yeah, meow. What does the chicken say? Good job. Bark, bark. What does the cow say? Yeah, moo. What does the owl say? Woo, woo. Yeah. Woo, woo. What does the horse say? Good job. What does the snake say? Yes. What does the
tiger say?
Tiger say, yeah.
Tiger.
What's the tiger say? Yeah. What does the horse say? Good job. What haven't we done yet?
He chose the most melancholic moment for him.
I know, he's like so tired. Can you say duck? Good job, duck. Duck, that's duck. What does the pig say? Yeah, turn your nose up. What does the alligator say? Yeah, chomp, chomp. Here, get your hand out of there. Do the alligator. Chomp, chomp. Yeah. Good job. What does the dog say? You can do better than that. What does the dog say? Woof, woof. Yeah. Can you say butterfly? Can you say butterfly? Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Show them what butterfly really is.
Was it this?
With the hands toward you with the thumbs. Yeah, yeah, butterfly. Can you say orange? Yeah. No, that's orange. Do orange.
Oh.
Yeah, good job. And can you do apple? Can you say apple? What's the sign for apple? Good job, apple. What about banana? Can you do the sign for banana? Good job. Yeah, peel the banana. Sorry, I missed it. Can you do banana again? Say banana. Do banana. That was close. Can you say sign banana? What's the sign? That was pretty close. That's orange.
Strangulation.
Can you say cat? Cat? Can you do the sign for cat? Are you done? Oh, that's the sign for all done. Good job. Good job. High five. High five.
Oh,
Rocks. Rocks. Good job. Good job.